So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Apple stock in your tax-free savings account or your TFSA here in Canada. So first thing you have to do is obviously have a TFSA with a Canadian stock trading platform. So for me, I'm going to be doing this in Wealthsimple. So I'm going to go ahead and press on my TFSA or my tax-free savings account. Then once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on the search bar. Then go to the top and press on the search bar again. And then press on, or then type in simply ticker symbol Apple, or just type in Apple for yourself. So for me right here, it says Apple Incorporated. Well, that's what we want to do. So we're going to go ahead and press on Apple Incorporated. And we're going to go to the bottom and press on where it says buy. And then press on where it says stocks. And all you got to do is make sure that you want to buy this account in your TFSA. So you just go ahead and press on next. Make sure that is checked off. Then once it's done, you can either do a fractional buy, or you can go to the top, press a fractional buy, and then go to where it says market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy. So whatever you want to do. But for demonstration, we're just going to go ahead and keep a fractional buy. Then we're just going to type in $1 USD, just like that. Press to continue. And then go to the bottom, press to confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Apple stock in your TFSA here in Canada. Just make sure that you guys are aware with your contribution limit and how TFSAs work. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.